Hello. So today we are talking about exporting projects. What are the learning outcomes? At the end of the unit, the student should be able to understand export processes, package and export game content, including mods and patches, configure projects for multiple platforms and devices, utilize automated deployment systems for game distribution. What is exporting project? Exporting a project means creating a package of all the relevant data and files associated with a project within a specific software or platform. Exporting packs in apps refers to the process of creating a downloadable package containing various elements of an application. A patch is a software update for an existing application or operating system to resolve bugs or errors or vulnerabilities. Mod, in the context of apps, refers to a modified version of an app, meaning it's been altered by someone other than the original developer. Advantages of a Godot Resource Pack: 1. Incremental updates or patches. 2. Offer DLCs. 3. Offer mod support. 4. No source code disclosure needed for mods. 5. More modular project structure. 6. Users don't have to replace the entire game. What is feature tags? Feature tags work by capturing user activity data using CSS selectors, different platforms and devices. C# platform support. As of Godot 4.2 projects written in C# support all desktop platforms, Windows, Linux, and macOS, as well as Android and iOS. The official platform ports can be used as a reference for creating a custom platform port: Windows, macOS, Linux or BSD, Android, iOS, and web. What is one-click deploy? One-click deployment is a feature that is available once a platform is properly configured and a supported device is connected to the computer. How to use a one-click deploy? In Android, enable developer mode on your mobile device that enable USB debugging in the device settings. After enabling USB debugging, connect the device to your PC using a USB cable. For advanced users, it should also be possible to use wireless ADB. In iOS, install Xcode. This will accept Xcode license and log in with your Apple developer account. If you are using Xcode 14 or earlier, install IIS Deploy and set the path to IIS Deploy in the editor settings, or C export to iOS to iOS Deploy.